currently I'm in Florida right now, about to head to Atlanta. Right now the time is about 7 a.m. About to head there. I'll see you guys on flight. Just realized that I was about to leave Florida again and forgot to get myself a magnet here. So gonna try to look around, see if there's a shop that sells magnet. Just found myself a store in the airport that sells magnet. So I'm gonna grab myself one. Which one do you guys think I should get this time? It looks like I'll probably be going with the turtle. Looks really cute, right? Afterwards, we'll go to Coca Cola Factory and Botanical Garden. That's the remainder of the day. Not so sure yet, but I'll keep you guys updated. Just got here to Central Park. Suddenly, it got really sunny outside. Probably not the best kind of weather you want to be taking photography in. But yeah, we'll see what we can capture, and from there. So just finished taking some photos at Central Park. About to meet my friend at the Coca Cola Factory now, so we can take a tour of it. Apple kiwi. Em có thích không? Em có thích không? Thích cái kiwi á, cái đó ở Thailand á. Thấy cũng được mà kỳ lạ. Next one we're gonna try out is from China. It's watermelon. Yeah, they were like it. Next one, the thumbs up from India. Cheers. Tastes like pop soda a little bit. Very similar to pop soda. So far, my favorite is the Fata Kiwi. Next is the Joy Minuteman from Korea. Actually, that tastes really good. Has a very sweet.
It's a big one, isn't it?
Yeah, very sweet texture. Pretty light too. I'm gonna try the fresh tea from Indonesia next. Tastes alright. Tastes like tea.
He wants to drag you all over the place.
Alright. Has a very light taste to it. Next one we're gonna try out the Fanta Melon Frosty. Tastes very different. Alright. I'll say out of all of these, the Fanta Apple Kiwi is the best. But watermelon is alright, the Minute Man is good, and the Melon Frosty Fanta is delicious. It's time to try out the European flavor. And come here, do not try out this flavor, Beverly. It tastes exactly like medicine. That was honestly probably one of the worst things I ever tasted. It's called Beverly, Italy. Yeah, I'm really a big fan of it. It tastes really bitter. Time to try out North America's flavor. Check it out. This flavor is really good. The Gold Peach Brew Sweet Tea. This was delicious. This is legit the first time I ever tried the Gold Peach Sweetened Tea. So good. Tastes so amazing. No joke, 10 out of 10. So after trying out everything for every country, I'll say the Fanta Thailand Kiwi is the best thing ever. Tastes absolutely amazing. Check out that nice green color. And here's the taste of the Fanta Apple Kiwi from Thailand. Best in Asia. This is really good. Who thought that I would be climbing a mountain today? It's actually pretty nice up here. This concludes the end of the first day in Atlanta. It was really fun, had a blast, went to the Coca Cola Factory, Central Park, and now the Snow Mountains. Very fun. Just arrived here at I Love Hot Pot. Can't wait to try out this location and see how it is. So I just got here to I Love Hot Pot. Here's the menu. So apparently they're a conveyor belt hot pot. Got myself the Thai hot pot. Can't wait to try that out. Check out the sauce bar. Guess what? They have nước mắm. Gotta love the fish sauce. Our special dipping sauce is complete. Check out all the Thai chili peppers. Just arrived to my hotel, Hyatt's place. About to head inside and check in. It's been like a really long day. But yeah, time to go inside now. Just got to my room. Time to go inside. Check out the living room. So beautiful. Nice cozy couch. Pretty desk. Flat screen TV and my king size bed. Got a nice closet here. Mirror with sink. The bathroom is a little small, but I guess it'll do. The light is kind of dim though. But yeah, nice shower head. I like it. This is gonna be my stay for the next 2 days. Nice little studio room. Check out what this AC can do. You press mode. Check it out. So cool. You can change the temperature. High fan, low fan, turn on the cool fan, heater, or off. That is so amazing. Let's make it cold in here. The lowest is 66. That's alright. Can feel it already. Pretty cool, nice little gadget, don't you think? Check this out. This is pretty cool. So last time when I went to a hotel, I actually forgot to bring the power outlet. So all I had was a USB. So now it's so nice because I can just plug up my USB, easy as that, and it'll charge. Simple, isn't it? So decided that I'm gonna walk to Snowflakes since I'm craving for something sweet and cold right now. It's almost 11 a.m. I'll probably be getting there close to like 11:10 or so. They should stop serving around 11:30, but the place closes at midnight. Snowflakes. Time to go inside. So check out their menu at Snowflakes. This is all of the signature toast that they have. Everything looks flipping delicious. There's a bunch of sago, and to the right, all these different crepes. Looks good. There's traditional tea, milk tea, and it looks like they have smoothie as well. Page after, more tea, yogurty drinks, smoothies, and finally their last page is full of signature snowflakes. Looks good. So it looks like I end up getting the Snowflake Tower, but at the same time I kind of want to try out their signature snowflake. So the star of the show has arrived. Beautiful, ain't she? You can't top this off, right? Delicious. This is truly amazing. Yeah, looks like I can't finish this. I really cannot handle all this toast. Too much carbs.